Hi guys, this is Tablet-News.com and I'm here with a tablet called the HONOR MagicPad 2. It's quite affordable. For 599 euros, you're getting an OLED screen, a 12-inch OLED screen with 144 Hz refresh rate, which sounds quite refreshing. Now, the tablet also comes with a stylus and a keyboard accessory. It's available in white or dark gray, and we have here the white version. As you can see, the camera at the back side has an LED flash, and the finishing resembles marble like the Huawei P60 series. Now, we talked about the screen. I mentioned that it's a 12-incher. The resolution is something like 3000 over 1900 pixels. There's an interesting fact about this tablet. It protects your eyes with the HONOR Eye Comfort display. Less blue light emissions for improved sleep, and defocus eye care using myopic defocus stimulation to relieve the refractive state of your eyes. Basically, it relieves your eyes of the pressure. Now, specs of the slate can be learned here. 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. Those are the specs we're dealing with. A 10,050 mAh battery with 66 watt charging and a 13 megapixel rear camera, plus a 9 megapixel front camera for video calls. It measures only 5.8 millimeters in thickness and weighs 555 grams. It's got a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, which should work wonders with an OLED 144 Hz screen. MagicOS applied on top of Android 14, and those are the specs. Now, as far as the special features are concerned, you can use the stylus for a variety of things. Let me just prop it here. So you can take the stylus, enter the application here and do a handwritten note, write something like hello. There's a variety of pens to employ here, and those can be used for drawing or for note-taking. And believe it or not, there's a special feature which is able to turn your formulas, your mathematical formulas, can turn them into solvable equations. Of course, there's also AI noise cancelling and speech-to-text. Performance-wise, I mentioned the processor, and fun-wise, we're getting a system of 6 speakers with a special HONOR spatial audio. That's what you're getting here. There's MagicOS 8.0 with Magic Ring, which interconnects your phone, your tablet, and your laptop. There's also AI notes, as I mentioned before. For productivity, we have the dock here at the bottom side, as you can see, and you can also trigger split screen applications. From the side, you can trigger these apps and show them in a floating manner. Start a new note from here, for example. Or you can also do this to see your multitasking applications like this, and your split screen like this. And since I'm here in this split screen, there's also something called Magic Portal. If I keep pressed on an image, I can send it here towards several applications, including Facebook, Gmail, TikTok, search on Google. You can do that with images, you can also do that with text, just like we did on the HONOR Magic 6 Pro. So you can split the screen in 3. 2 apps here and 1 floating on top of them like this, which is quite useful for your multitasking needs. If you want some personalization, you can pinch the screen. You have your wallpapers here, color, lock screen, even a bit of blur. And aside from that, you can also select those nice looking cards, which are basically widgets, but they call them cards. Okay, so that's about it. A tablet for productivity for 599 euros. I would say not bad at all. And if you go here in the settings, there are special features. There's HONOR Connect. There's this one here. This one for the display, which is quite bright. There's an ebook mode and a color temperature mode. Okay, there's biometrics and password. And these are the smart features. There's AI suggestions, which will suggest apps depending on your habits. There's Magic Text, which lets you extract text from an image. There's Magic Portal, which you saw before, and can be used with these apps. And of course, there's also this one, Smart Sensing and Air Gestures. You can use the front camera to scroll by doing something like this with your hand, or even take a screenshot. So that's about it as far as the HONOR MagicPad 2 is concerned. Goodbye.